In this video, we will take a closer look at the top 4 HIENA grooming tools for 2025. From high-performance hair clippers to precision beard trimmers, these models combine power, durability, and advanced features to deliver professional results at home or in the barbershop. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below, so let's jump right in. Number 4. HIENA Professional Hair Clipper. The HIENA Professional Hair Clipper, a powerful, stylish, and versatile grooming tool built for both barbers and personal use. Right away, you will notice its sleek open-work design. Not only does this make cleaning a breeze, but it also ensures safety with R-shaped rounded corners that protect the skin while trimming. The 5-watt rotary motor delivers smooth, sharp cuts without pulling or tugging. Despite the power, it operates at under 60 decibels, making it surprisingly quiet. The stainless steel blade is wear-resistant and built for longevity, giving you a sharp shave every time without any skin irritation. It includes 4 types of limit combs for flexible styling options, and the up-down push switch adds to the ease of use. A built-in lithium battery with 600 mAh capacity gives you up to 120 minutes of use from just a 2-hour charge. Charging is made simple with the dual-purpose Type-C port, whether plugged in or used cordless. It is ready when you are. This clipper is perfect for both wet and dry use and comes with a cleaning brush to help remove debris from the blades. Compact at 15 by 4 by 2.5 centimeters, it is easy to carry and store. In the box, you get the clipper, 4 comb attachments, a cleaning brush, a Type-C USB cable, and a user manual. For precise, comfortable grooming, the HIENA Professional Hair Clipper is an excellent choice. Number 3. HIENA Electric Air Clipper. The HIENA Electric Hair Clipper is designed for both home users and professional barbers, combining power, precision, and comfort in one sleek tool. It features a powerful 5-watt motor with 2 speed settings, 7,000 and 8,000 revolutions per minute for smooth and efficient cutting. The fine steel cutter head uses imported all-steel with nanometer grinding and self-sharpening technology, meaning the blade becomes sharper the more you use it. The R-shaped sharp angle cutting head protects the scalp, offering a gentle, massage-like trimming experience without pulling or irritation. This clipper supports infinite fine adjustment of the tool head pitch, allowing hair length regulation between 0.5 mm and 1.7 mm. Combined with 4 guide combs, 3 mm, 6 mm, 10 mm, and 13 mm, it is perfect for gradient fades, beard trimming, sculpting, and more. The LED display shows motor speed, remaining battery life, charging status, and even includes a travel lock and battery reminder. The luminous logo adds a premium touch to its design. Powered by a 2,000 mAh lithium battery, it delivers up to 300 minutes of use from a 2-hour charge. The dual-purpose Type-C charging port allows both cordless use and plug-in operation. Weighing only 250 grams, it is lightweight and easy to handle. Whether for a quick touch-up or a full haircut, the HIENA Electric Hair Clipper is built for precision, durability, and ultimate convenience. Number 2. HIENA 808 Electric Shaving Machine. The HIENA 808 Electric Shaving Machine is a compact, powerful, and skin-friendly grooming tool designed for professional barbers and personal care alike. Equipped with a double foil head, this shaver features an independent floating design that adapts perfectly to facial contours. The ultra-thin blade head ensures maximum skin contact, delivering a close, comfortable shave without irritation, bumps, or skin damage. Inside, a powerful long-life motor delivers strong and stable cutting performance while operating quietly. The upgraded double-cutting knife tube and double-sharp blades provide precise results with every pass. The mesh head is durable, and the detachable blade and foil design allows for easy cleaning. Simply press to open the cutter head rinse, and you are ready for the next use. The built-in lithium-ion battery, with a capacity of 600 mAh, charges fully in 2 hours and offers up to 90 minutes of runtime. Thanks to the USB charging system, you can power it from a personal computer, car charger, or power bank, offering flexibility wherever you go. This model, HIENA HYN301, also includes a digital smart energy display to remind you of battery status. Combined with a patented acute-angled moving blade and ultra-sharp foil system, this shaver delivers both performance and convenience. Whether used for shaving the face, head, or body, the HIENA 808 electric shaving machine is engineered for a close, fast, and smooth grooming experience. It is the ideal choice for anyone seeking a professional-grade electric razor. Number 1. HIENA 809 Beard Trimmer. The HIENA 809 Beard Trimmer is a professional grooming tool built for both personal and barbershop use, delivering a close and bump-free shave with precision and ease. At the core of the HIENA HYN809 is a powerful motor combined with sharp steel cutters that glide smoothly over the skin without causing irritation. The dual foil shaver head features ultra-thin, efficient foils designed for an ultra-close shave, making it perfect for clean beard lines and smooth finishes. Equipped with a high-capacity battery, the trimmer runs for up to 150 minutes on a full charge. Charging takes only 1.5 hours, making it both fast and efficient. The USB charging compatibility allows you to recharge it using a car charger, wall plug, personal computer, or power bank, giving you maximum convenience wherever you are. The digital display keeps you informed of the battery status, so you never run out of power unexpectedly. While the machine itself is not suitable for full body water washing, the detachable razor head is washable under running water for easy maintenance. Weighing approximately 368 grams, it is moderately sized and ideal for both home use and professional setups. The elegant black and golden design adds a premium touch, making it a great gift choice for fathers, husbands, or boyfriends. The HIENA 809 Beard Trimmer delivers professional-grade results in a compact, powerful package, ensuring a clean, sharp look every time. There you have it, the top 4 HIENA hair clippers and beard trimmers for 2025. Whether you are upgrading your personal grooming kit or outfitting your barbershop, these tools offer reliable performance and quality design. Let us know in the comments which one suits your style best, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more grooming gear reviews.